Hello, welcome, and this is a video on how to use Facy Tunnel. As you can see on my screen, so with Facy Tunnel, all you need to do is to download the app onto Google Play Store called Facy Tunnel, FACYTUNNEL. You can download this app on the Google Play Store. As you can see on my screen, you can join our Telegram group for more information. Also, we have servers, we have the home, and we have the logs. Click on the three button, you can find the private account, release notes, update server settings, mobile phone hotspots, Telegram channel, a whole lot. You can just click on the connect button or the start button in order for you to start. But don't forget to click on the servers and select your server. And you can add time in order for you to get a prolonged lifetime in order for you to connect for the free internet service. As you can see, clicking on the start button will help in order for you to connect, and you can click on the cancel or the delete button down there for you to stop using the app. But don't forget that this app is fully secured, and this app is not taking any information of yours but help you in order for you to get access to free internet. Just grab this opportunity today and thank you later. Have a nice day and goodbye.